I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by generating and installing the credentials the service needs. Create an APNs key or obtain an FCM server key, then upload it to your backend. Once done, enable push notifications on the app ID and add the entitlement to your project. Make sure to prompt the user for notification permission early, because without grant you cannot receive tokens. Finally, verify your provisioning profile or Google service file is included so the app can request a device token successfully. Next, register devices and integrate the backend flow. On the client, request the device token and immediately post it to your server, retrying on failure. On the server, store tokens with associated user ID, platform flags, and timestamps so you can target devices accurately. Also track token rotation. Once stored, implement push-sending logic that formats payloads per platform, batches requests to avoid throttling, and authenticates with APNs or FCM using your credentials. Monitor responses to detect invalid tokens. Finish by sending test notifications and validating end-to-end delivery. Use separate development and production credentials, send targeted pushes to a test device, and confirm the notification appears and opens the correct screen. After successful tests, schedule regular key or certificate rotation and prune expired or inactive tokens from your database. If things go wrong, check user permission state, ensure certificates or keys haven't expired, review server response codes for invalid tokens, and inspect payload size and format. Those are the most common failures to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.